How to make a bicycle rim clock. Hey, race, a cool way to reuse those bicycle junk you have in your garage. If you're a bike fanatic, hey, race, a great way to give your wall a personal touch. Make your own bike rim wall clock. Steps. 1. Take out your old bicycle rim. 2. Remove any unwanted parts, including any protruding parts such as the hub. Clean your rim thoroughly. 3. Find a suitable clock. The clock should be cheap and should ideally have long hands. However, we will be making hand extensions, so if you cannot find a clock with long hands, do not worry. 4. Disassemble the clock. Carefully remove the hands. 5. Make a sheet of aluminum out of an empty soda can by cutting down the sides of the can. This will be used for the hand extensions. Measure the radius of the bicycle rim and cut hand extensions for the clock accordingly. Generally, the hour hand should be about 6 inches, 15.2 centimeters, and the minute hand will be 8 inches, 20.3 centimeters. Paint them if you would prefer a different color. 6. Glue the aluminum on top of the hands of the clock. Allow to dry. Use only superglue, do not use a heavy adhesive. Using a heavy glue may mess up the clock's mechanism. 7. If your bike wheel hub cover is still there, get it, you can still use that. Optional. Place the hands back on the center of the rim. 8. Get your movement clock, use a strong adhesive on the front. You can hot glue it, but keep in mind if your surroundings becomes warm, this is not advised. You can use industrial glue for durability. 9. Hide the clock itself by placing a gear plate on top of it, use a strong adhesive. 10. Place the clock on the center of the rim. 11. Attach the hands on the clock. Put in batteries and adjust the time. You should still be able to adjust the time as you would normally on the clock. 12. Hang your new decor on your wall and marvel at your work. Things. 20-inch bicycle rim. Clock. Empty can of soda. Markers. Cutter scissors. Superglue industrial glue. Hub plate or bike gear.